to the 8th Annual Day EuroKids Thuraipakkam annual function. We at EuroKids extend a warm welcome to everybody present here. The reason we are here to celebrate our kids who had put in a lot of efforts to make this event very entertaining and informative for you. So if we could please help them get through this evening. Yeah. If I may request Mrs. Vijay Raghu to help the kids honor our chief guest, Ms. Sita Lakshmi. Yeah, we at Eurokids Thuraipakam are a bit smart, so we are eliminating and not using bouquets. We are going to give something useful, which will not be just kept in the showcases. It's just a token of gratitude and thanks from us to you, Ms. Sita Lakshmi. Yeah, actually the kids look brighter than the gift. Thank you, ladies. And if I may please request Ms. Sita Lakshmi to light the lamp. While they light the lamp, I just wanted to give you an introduction about Ms. Sita Lakshmi. Yeah, she is the academic manager of Chettinadu Group of School. She started her career as an HR in Panasonic and later entered into education field and now has 13 plus years of academic experience in metric, CBSE, IB and ICSE curriculum and is going strong and setting us, giving us all major inspiration. Thank you so much, ma'am, for coming. We also have a very, very wonderful news to begin the annual day function. We are very proud and pleased to share that our Eurokids preschool has been ranked #1 in overall preschool in Chennai category on the top preschool as a result of the survey conducted by Times Education Icons, the Times of India. I mean, this is definitely coming as a very good news and we are sure the parents are very extremely happy and is going to be even more interested in sending the kids to our school. If I may please request Ms. Sita Lakshmi to share a few words and to begin the function.
Good evening, everyone. And I don't think I should be recognized as a chief guest because I feel I also belong to this family. So I take this opportunity in thanking Ms. Vijay and Mr. Raghuram for inviting me here. And I also take this opportunity in appreciating Ms. Vijay. Always I admire her for her dedication shown in running the school and understanding the curriculum and implementing her creative ideas and helping the teachers in conducting the classes. Very good job done. And I have only one question this evening. How many of us remember our school annual day? Any one of you? How many of you? Can you please raise your hands? So maybe in the hall, maybe 20 to 25 to the maximum. Why we are not able to remember our school annual day? Because schools in those times are very particular in choosing the best children and doing the performance. But many of the parents have one query in your mind, why there are no competitions, why there are no prizes. I hope there will be some queries like that, right? So actually, we are not selecting the best children in the school. We are understanding the best in each children. That's why we don't believe in competition and we consider all as winners. So that is the motto of Eurokids. And I won't take much of your time. Let us understand the children. Let us understand the hidden talents in them and let's facilitate them. And let us be the listeners to our children. And I once again thank Ms. Vijay. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It's been an honor, especially because you also belong to EuroKids. She has been with EuroKids right before she joined and went back to Chettinad Group of School Education. Our annual day brings a beautiful culmination of the various enriching experience held throughout the child's learning year. This day belongs to our children and only to them, and we are here only to support them and enjoy them. They also enjoyed this journey and emerged as more confident children. Yes, actually the preparation for this day has started way back, and they had been very much excited, enthusiastic, and had so much of fun and frolic getting prepared for this day. Our children had put in a lot of efforts, and we believe not only academics, but they should also grow in all the social skills. That is exactly why we have chosen the theme of this year to be Sustainable Development Goals, which we shall also learn throughout this evening and get to know more details about it. For that, let me start off the evening by welcoming the first skit by our students Hannah Eliora and Anvi Shukla from Euro Senior, accompanied by Sri Rekha ma'am, who will be the narrator for the skit. If I may please request Mr. Raghu to escort the chief guest and enjoy the evening.
Hi, my name is Hannah. I am studying in Euro Senior. Hi, my name is Anvi. I am studying in Euro Senior. Happy to see you all here today. A warm welcome on behalf of EuroKids Story Pakam on this 8th annual function.
Do you feel the burst of energy? Do you think, can you guess the theme of the special event today?
Yes, transforming our world.
Our theme of this year, Transforming Our World, comes from the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Developmental Goal given by the United Nations. United Nations is the largest, most familiar, most internationally represented and the most powerful intergovernmental organization in the world. They have partnered with 178 countries and adopted the Sustainable Developmental Goals, and we at EuroKids have taken an initiative and are proud to have partnered with United Nations and become active transformers.
Sustainable Developmental Goals. What does that mean?
It means you don't do it just once. They are actions and activities that you do over and over again for better results and to bring about change.
We take steps to create a world where there are no children crying for food and for home. Everyone can go to school and breathe the clean air.
I wish you.
I wish you good luck for all of us. When we are done, let's do a party. My dear friend Anvi, what a great idea. It makes it really clear what needs to be done. We are the transformers, taking steps towards and building a better tomorrow. We are all in together.
Sustainable Developmental Goal is a plan of action for people, planet and prosperity. It strengthens universal peace. Education is not acquisition of knowledge, but formation of character and all-round development. We now depict the Sustainable Developmental Goal in action. This day belongs to our children and they have enjoyed this journey and emerged as a self-assured and self-confident. As we strive for excellence, we present the scintillating performance of EuroKids children with much pride and honor. You can expect an extravagant and complete entertainment. The children's performance shall definitely leave you mesmerized.
We are eagerly waiting to start, my friends. Let's get rolling.
Do you all want
Do you all want to be
a part of a transformation?
transformation too?
Now we present our
Now we present our
STG Awareness Walk.
STG awareness walk.
Coming up next is a very strong message from our children. Let's put our hands together as they take us through the 17 Sustainable Developmental Goals by the United Nations.
For the SDG Awareness Walk, I request the following participants: Jitesh Nursery, who is gonna explain that there's gonna be no poverty, there should be no poverty. Ananya Nursery for Zero Hunger. Rakshita Euro Juniors will represent good health and well-being. Kavinaya from Euro Seniors represents quality education. Ananya P of Euro Seniors will walk explaining the gender equality. Varshini of Nursery will emphasize on clean water and sanitation. Mithun of Euro Seniors for affordable and clean energy. Akshat and Riddhi of Euro Seniors explains and emphasizes on decent work and economic growth. Priyanshi, Euro Seniors, industry, innovation and infrastructure will be explained and emphasized by her. Who will be accompanied by Bershan from the Euro Juniors. And we also have Joshna from the nursery walking for reduced inequality. Adav Stalin, again from the nursery, emphasizing sustainable cities and communities. Moshika of Euro Juniors will emphasize on responsible consumption and production. Mahendra Raju of Euro Seniors will talk about climate action. Sandra of Euro Juniors will emphasize life below water. Divit of Euro